right, friends, we are going to practice again using our thinking steps right here in green to answer this question about the next page in our story. So the question we're thinking about now is, what does this page tell us about Emma? So we want to think, what do we learn from Emma just by reading this page? So let's go ahead and start with our thinking steps with step 1. We're going to look at the picture and ask, who or what do we see? So if we come down to the picture, down here, we see Emma. And what is Emma doing? She's in the kitchen, right? We know that from yesterday. And she's drawing. We see her drawing on the paper. She's making art, she's drawing. So we could put a check for step 1 because we looked at the picture and we thought about who we see. Now we're ready for step 2. We're gonna just look at the words and ask what words match with the picture. So we know Emma's in the kitchen, we know she's drawing, and yeah, we know that she is drawing. So let's see what words match the picture. We have the words draw right here. I have a small drawing table that's in the kitchen. That's where Emma is. And the word kitchen again. Awesome. Okay. So if we stop for a second and think about the words that we highlighted the word draw. Is Emma drawing in the picture? Yes, so that word matches. Is Emma sitting at a small drawing table? Yes, the one that her dad got her. So we could put a check because that matches the picture. And is Emma in the kitchen? Yes, so we can put another check because that word matches the picture, and we're done with step 2. Step 3, we're going to read and ask, what new information do we learn about the story? Just by reading this page, what new information do we learn? Before long, Emma began to draw and paint. Her parents were quite impressed. Now, there's a warthog, Father would say. Where did she see a pagolon? Is that a tapir? Mother would ask. One weekend, Father put a small drawing table in the kitchen, and right away, the kitchen became Emma's favorite place in the house. So we're done reading, and we want to think about, what did we learn from this page? We learned that Emma is drawing, and she's drawing animals. She's drawing animals and different creatures that she sees in her head. And her dad got her the drawing table so that she can draw her creatures. So we know, does Emma like to draw? Yeah, she does it all the time. She does it so much that her dad gave her her own table in the kitchen. So we can put a check by step 3, and now we're putting our thoughts into words for step 4 to answer our question over here. What does this page tell us about Emma? I'm gonna put our answer in a sentence to put our thoughts into words. And after looking at the picture, after looking at the words and reading the page, we know that Emma loves to draw and paint. That is what's the most important thing on this page. The whole page explains how she draws and paints, what she draws and paints, where she draws and paints. It's all about Emma drawing and painting. So if we want to answer our question, we can say something like, Emma loves to draw and paint. That's what this page tells us about Emma. We're going to practice a couple more times looking at some different pages and practicing these same thinking steps to answer questions.